What is up, everybody? How's it going, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're just going to do a quick unbagging or unboxing, however you would like to look at it. I believe that these are related to the previous 4 videos or more. I believe that these are related to the previous 2 Guess What's in the Box videos, as well as those related to those on Guess What's in the Box videos, but they're also their unboxing videos. I believe that they're back probes. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon. Alright, so just gonna cut this bag open, pull out whatever the item is, go from there. Did it cut enough? It did cut enough. Yep. So it is that the back probe is what I was talking about. So in the previous video, I did show several videos. I'll link a card up here for the very first video. That video was 20 minutes long because I did hook these up to a multimeter and check the resistance, and they came out those 2 packages I tested. It came out with 0 resistance. The meter went exactly to 0. No issues. But these are just back probes. And hopefully I remember, I should be editing these soon, but I will link a card up here for that video. It was 20 minutes. I talked about them. I even gave a full story. So this video, I'm not going to give the story of what happened. I actually ordered these from a different company, which my Amazon thing still shows that I'm waiting for them, and it's just late. Today it popped up, not just showing late, but if I actually go into the order, it says that they think the package is lost. If you guys want to hear that story, click on the link that the card that I put up in the top, so that way you can get the full story on that video instead of me explaining it on this one. And you know, I explained a little bit on the previous video that I did a few minutes ago also. I just didn't explain as much. So there should be 20 probes in here, plus the 5 on here. So there's 5 on it. There's 1 needle on each. These are thread-on probes. So there should be 20 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So there is 20 plus the 5 on here. So there's 25 total with just 5 different colors. And I ordered 4 packages of these. I originally ordered 3, like I said, from that one company. The tracking number had never updated. I ordered them in January. They were supposed to ship in March. And it's now March. Today is March 12th. It's a Saturday, 2022. But, like I said, there was no other option from any other sellers to buy these. And the seller told me, oh, well, they were declined at customs. But the tracking never even showed that they even made it to a warehouse anywhere. Never even made it to a plane or a boat, nothing. So I think the company I bought these from first time they never actually had them to begin with. I ordered them, and when I ordered them, they realized that they had to order, and they realized that they didn't have nothing to ship, so they used the customs declined them as the excuse. Because they asked me what they wanted me to do. I told them, and the light just died, I told them that I wanted to wait for the items because I ordered them like January 6th, and the information on the order stated they weren't supposed to ship till March 7th minimum. March 7th to March 25th, and it's not even the 13th in March yet. So, and they refunded me, even though I told them I wanted to wait, which is not a big deal, it's fine. But the funny thing is like a day or so before they messaged me, the page on the order, I literally clicked on the order, and then I clicked on the item photo to take me to the actual seller's page again, and it said currently unavailable, which I thought was weird. And then they told me to reorder them. That's the funny thing. They told me to reorder them from them, even though they told me that customs declined them. Like, why would I reorder them from you? You just refunded me without me asking you to refund me, and you told me that they were declined by customs and all this other crap. And I told them, well, how am I supposed to reorder them from you if it says currently unavailable? Oh yeah, I'm sorry, we don't have any of those anymore. Blah blah blah. And they've been currently unavailable since February 14th or something. So I ended up finding them from another seller. That seller I bought these ones from had the exact same 7 photos. The seller I bought these from actually had like 2 or 3 extra photos though, which was kind of interesting. But the name was just different. It's supposed to be 20 back probes, 5 different colors with 5 back probes on each color, 25 total needles or back probe pins, and so I ordered 4. I originally wanted 6 of them originally, but that other seller only had 5 originally, and then 2 sold supposedly, and then I bought the 3, and well, the Amazon page still shows that it's there. See, this is the seller I bought them from originally. It was Dimraz, and currently unavailable. It says purchased January 22nd, 2022. There you go. And then if I click back, it says shipped February 11th to March 7th. 3 of them at $13. Funny thing is I got these at $9 a set. So I actually ended up, I got $42.87 back because I purchased 3 of them on this one, and I actually got them cheaper per set. So not a big deal. Their loss, my gain. But if I click back again, it says running late. It doesn't say it's lost. It says running late. But if you click on it, there was a section where it showed that they think the package is lost. But it's not doing it now. But just a quick video, guys. Just showing you guys real quick. If you guys want to see the full story, every other detail, if you want to see me hook these up to a multimeter and check them for resistance. You also want to make sure that the resistance in your lines are good. So this probe is actually bent. So they are kind of pliable. They're not, the best probes, the best needles, but it comes with 20 of them plus those 5, so it's not a big deal. I originally bought these several sets because I'm making little Diag little carry kits that I'm going to throw in the truck, and each kit's going to have a different set of Diag tools in it. Each kit's going to have a set of these with a 4 or 5 other specific Diag items, and each kit's going to be completely different other than the back probes, and they're going to go in the service truck. I have a bunch of back probes. I've got ones that are, the needles are really long. They're like this long. I have them sort of medium length. Some of them are gold tipped. Some of them are like this. They're silver. The gold tipped ones I have, or plated ones I have, they are a lot wider than these needles. They are really, really thick. Or these are really, really thin. In the veer reverse video that I'll link up here, we'll also show you guys, I do actually take measurements in millimeters from the very tip to every single step, because this has several steps where it gets wider. It's 1 step, 2, 3, 4, and then the base. It's 5 different sections that I actually measured for you guys. So make sure you click the card and go check out that video, which is the 20-minute video. But that is all I got for you guys. I'm not going to do much more explaining or anything like that. Don't want to take up too much more of your guys' time. They're just back probes. They are 4mm banana jack, standard banana jack. They will work on any standard meter. It doesn't matter if it's a $5 multimeter to a $700 multimeter. They'll work on any of them that you can put banana jacks on. I do appreciate you guys' time as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys next time. Peace!